A little trig review for the crew. But before we get cozy with some cocoa and the calculator, go ahead and click the subscribe button if you're in my class and you leave a comment. Yes, I will exempt you from an assignment of your choice. For the first batch, go ahead and just enter into your calculator. We are going to click cos for our cosine. Pop in our 242, hit enter. We get negative 0.469471562.8. We will do some rounding to the 10th place, okay? Directly right of the decimal point is our 10th place, currently a 4. To the right of that is the 100th place. The 100th place tells whether the 10th place stays the same or gets rounded up. And when the 100th place is 0 to 4, well, the 4 would stay the same. But when it's 5 through 9, we will round up, becoming negative 0.5. Circle your answer, move forward to the next batch. For the next batch, go ahead and boom, quick snapshot, move forward. We will write the function's ratio and reduce the fraction when possible. For the first one, let's just click start off by looking for that right angle. Oh, and directly right of the right angle is our hypotenuse. Then we will look for an angle measurement on the inside or theta, and on the interior here, we have theta, and opposite theta is our opposite side, leaving us the adjacent. Go HOA every time, and you will never have an issue. Now go back to our tool for tangent. Tangent uses the opposite and the adjacent, our TOA. We will write this as tan theta equals our opposite of 15. Set that over your adjacent side of, yes, 20. Can we reduce the fraction? We certainly can. Equals, well, the greatest common denominator between these two numbers is 5. So that will be 3 over 4. If you have any issues with that, go ahead and put it into your calculators. 15 divided by 20. Hit enter. Oh no, decimal. But if you hit math right here and enter twice, we get a reduced fraction of 3 over 4. If it does not reduce the fraction is just simply not reducible. Boom, we're solving for sides. Go ahead and get a quick snap of that. All right, it's a 4-stepper. Label sides, write equation, cross multiply, divide by coefficient. Did I really put label sides and write equation as 1 and 2? I sure did. And let's move forward. All right, right across from that right angle will be our hypotenuse. Then on the inter, we're looking for an angle measurement or theta. Oh my goodness, in this case, it's an angle measurement. And opposite our angle measurements, our opposite side. And again, I go HOA. Now we have to decide, well, which side do we not use? Well, the opposite has a 10, the adjacent has an X, the hypotenuse has nothing. All right, now we need to O and A. What uses O and A? Oh, there it is again, our tangent. So the way we set this up is we're going to write tan. We're going to take that angle measurement of 52, and I'll put it in blue. We will set it over 1. When we're solving for the sides, we'll do some cross multiply. You already saw it in steps. No big deal. The O is 10. We set that over the adjacent of X. All right, now, when X is the denominator, you will always have to go to the 4th step. But when X is the numerator, you simply just have to do 3 steps and go to the calculator. But now we cross multiply. First 2 steps are done. Tan 52 times X, well, that's still tan 52 times X. Yes, that is the coefficient of X. I just like to wrap it in parentheses so we can visually see that a little stronger maybe. 1 times 10, well, that's 10. Phenomenal work. And then it says to divide by the coefficient. Well, this time the coefficient of X is tan 52. So we're just going to divide each side by tan 52. And when we do tan 52 divided by tan 52, well, just like 3 divided by 3 is 1, tan 52 divided by tan 52 is 1, leaving us our 1x. We don't write the 1 because how many do we see? Exactly. And that's going to equal 10 over tan 52. From here, simply put it into your calculator as, let's clear it off, 10 divided by tan for tangent, 52, Hit enter. What do we get? 7.81. The 8 is in the tenths. Well, the hundredths is a 1, so that 8 stays the same. X equals 7.8. Circle your answer. Again, there's the steps for you when you're working on sides in case you didn't get the shot. We'll go to the next one. We had to go all 4 steps there. And we are looking again to label our sides. I'm always looking for that square or that right angle because right across from our right angle is our hypotenuse. Then I'm looking towards the interior and I'm like, oh my goodness, there's an angle measurement. And I know opposite the angle measurement is our opposite side. So then we go A, but as we can already see, the adjacent side doesn't have a number or a variable with it. So let's go ahead and get rid of it. All right, so sine, our SO uses the O and the H. So we'll set this up as sine plus our angle measurement there of 39.9. We will set that over 1 because sine 39.9 divided by 1 is still sine 39.9 equals, and that'll be our opposite of x over our hypotenuse of 7. From here, we cross multiply. 1 times x is, great job, crew, just x. We'll set that equal to 39.9 times 7. That sine 39.9, I'm going to go ahead and throw into parentheses just so there's no calculator confusion. And we will multiply that to the 7. And again, we just go to the calculator, guys. All right, open your parenthesis above the 8 there. Type in your sine, 39.9. Close it, hit 7, hit enter. 4.49. Oh my goodness, that becomes 4.5 because 5 through 9, we will round up. So x equals 4.5. So Mr. Richards, the label and the writing the equation are steps 1 and 2. So we really only have to cross multiply once and go to the calculator when we get comfortable. The good news is when we're solving for angles, we use the inverse and we can go straight to the calculator. Label the sides, write the ratio, and enter into the calculator. But first, we have to label our sides, and right across our right angle is our hypotenuse. Then I'm searching that interior for an angle measurement or theta. There's theta. Opposite theta is our opposite side. Go ahead and put the O, and the adjacent, I always go last. Oh my goodness, again, the H is not being used. So we are just going to set this up as tan theta, or in this case, tan, and I like to go inverse. Let me actually use the color I aligned with. What did I choose there? Kind of like the aqua blue. So we'll go tan minus 1. That's how you see it in your calculator for the inverse. And then we will just set it up as O over A, which O is 6. Yes, I just wrote the O and had to erase. And the A is 3.8. That 8 does not look good. Now, in our calculator, we just simply, let me clear that off, hit second. That will get you all of your inverse. And I can't zoom in there, but right above our tan is that tan minus 1 in that aqua blue. Goodness, hit 6, hit divided, put in our 3.8, hit enter, 57.65. We'll call it 57.7 with the roundup. And we will circle our answer. Use this again for angles, guys. Crush this thing, dominate, get it submitted, subscribe, and leave a comment. Let's